In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Cash Sweep in Robinhood Legend, how it works, and how you can enable or disable it on your account. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Robinhood Legend from the official Robinhood platform and sign into your account so you can access your account settings and investing features. Once you are inside, click on the human-shaped profile icon located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, then select View More Details under Margin. A new window will open, giving you access to deeper account and investing controls. From here, go to your account section and navigate to Investing. Scroll through the available options until you find the Cash Sweep program. Cash Sweep applies to any uninvested cash in your Robinhood account, meaning funds that are not currently allocated to stocks, ETFs, or options. When this feature is enabled, that idle cash is automatically moved from your brokerage account into partner bank deposit accounts in the background, without requiring any manual transfers. Once you locate Cash Sweep, select Enable Cash Sweep and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process step by step. Robinhood will guide you through each stage until the feature is fully activated. After enabling it, your uninvested cash will automatically be included in the Cash Sweep program based on the program terms. This swept cash is then held in partner bank accounts where it may qualify for FDIC insurance coverage up to applicable limits per bank, adding an extra layer of protection for your idle funds. At the same time, swept cash may also earn interest depending on the current annual percentage yield offered through participating banks, allowing your unused balance to generate returns while it remains uninvested. Even after being swept, your cash will still appear in your Robinhood account balance, and you can access it anytime for investing or withdrawals, without restrictions. If you decide to disable the feature, return to the same Cash Sweep program section under Investing. From there, select Disable Cash Sweep and confirm your choice. Once disabled, your uninvested cash will remain in your brokerage account instead of being moved into partner banks, and it will no longer earn interest through the program. That is how Cash Sweep works on Robinhood and how you can enable or disable it based on your preference.